Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Now, if you're someone who loves that radiant glow without the heaviness of a full coverage foundation, you'll want to stick around for today's review. We're talking about Estée Lauder's Futurist SkinTint Serum Foundation, an intriguing mix of skincare and makeup designed to give your skin that luminous, natural finish. So, let's break down what this product really offers and see if it's a game changer or just another serum foundation on the market. The Estée Lauder Futurist SkinTint Serum Foundation comes in a liquid form, available in the shade 2C3 Fresco, which is a light medium shade with cool, rosy beige undertones. This foundation promises hydration, long-lasting wear, and a radiant finish, all wrapped up in a lightweight formula with SPF 20. It's designed for all skin types, so it aims to be versatile. But let's see if it really delivers on those claims. Now, I've had the chance to test this product over the past couple of weeks, and I must say it fits right into my everyday makeup routine. The texture is incredibly lightweight, almost gel-like, which made it feel like a serum more than a foundation when applying. The formula is very hydrating, so for those with dry skin, it's a big plus. It glides smoothly, blending effortlessly without feeling sticky or greasy. Definitely a bonus for anyone who doesn't want that heavy foundation feeling. I applied this foundation both with a brush and a sponge to see how it performed in different ways. The coverage, as expected, is light, giving just enough to even out skin tone without masking natural texture. It's perfect for days when you just want a fresh, no makeup look, or when you're aiming for that radiant, healthy glow. The finish is very luminous, almost dewy, but not overly shiny, just a nice, soft radiance. I found that it didn't settle into fine lines or pores, which is often a concern with lighter foundations. However, let's talk about longevity for a moment. While it holds up decently throughout the day, it's not as long-wearing as some heavier foundations or long-wear formulas. By the end of my workday, I noticed it had faded a bit, particularly around my nose and chin. So if you're looking for something that'll stay put through a full 12-hour day, you might need a touch-up or to layer it with a more durable primer. Moving on to the pros and cons. On the positive side, I really appreciated the skin benefits it provided. Hydration, smooth texture, and the SPF 20 is a nice touch for daily sun protection. The finish is perfect for anyone looking to avoid that cakey, heavy foundation look. And with the versatile shade range, it seems like a great option for a variety of skin tones and undertones. On the flip side, as mentioned, the longevity could use some improvement, especially for those with oily skin or those who need their makeup to last all day. The coverage is quite light, so if you have blemishes or redness to cover, you may need to layer this with a concealer or choose a different product if you need more coverage. In terms of value for money, this product is definitely on the pricier side for a foundation, but considering the added skin benefits like hydration and SPF, it does offer more than just coverage. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you might find similar products with SPF and a radiant finish at a lower price point. I would suggest looking into options like the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, which offers a similar lightweight feel with more coverage and lasting power. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and luxurious, as you'd expect from Estée Lauder. It feels high-end and is easy to travel with, which is a plus for those who are always on the go. Final thoughts. This product is a great option for someone who wants a natural, radiant finish with the added skincare benefits. If you don't mind reapplying after a few hours, it's worth considering. It's especially great for dry skin, providing that hydration without feeling heavy. But if you're someone who needs a bit more coverage or long wear power, you might want to explore other foundations. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.